I'm the one, could you be the one? Shh. Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one?
Hello to everybody. So how are you? So for today's lesson, we'll be discussing about arc length. So when we say arc length, this is the length of an arc of a circle. So in our example number 1, we have angle ACB. So the arc length that we are referring to is at from point A to B. So the color red. So that is the arc length. So for your information, arc length is different from the degree of the arc. Okay? So the formula that we are going to use here, arc length is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle times theta over 360 degrees. So theta is the degree of an arc of a circle divided by 360. Okay, so let us solve this. Find the length of arc AB. So this is now arc AB. So given the radius is 12 and we have the central angle 45 degrees. So all you have to do, guys, is substitute the given from the formula. So we have now 2 times pi. We can use pi equals 3.14. Okay, so we have now 3.14 times the radius is 12 times 12, then times theta is equals to 45 degrees. So 45 over 360 then is equals to. So you can use your calculator to find the answer. Okay, so I have here the calculator. So let's enter these numbers. So we have 2 times 3.14 times 12 times 45 equals divided by 360. So the answer now we have 9.42. So just write here 9.42. So this will be the length of the arc AB here. So it's equals to 9.42. So since there's no unit of measurement given, so just put 9.42 here units. Okay guys, so that is the answer for number 1. Okay, let's proceed to question number 2. We have the given circle O. Then angle AOB is a central angle. Then the measurement of an angle is 100 degrees. Then the radius is equals to 3. Now, we are going to find the length of arc AB. So we will find this length. Okay. So using the formula, of course, arc length is equals to 2 pi r times theta over 360. Then after that, substitute the given. So we have now 2 times 3.14. So here, class, we are going to use 3.14 as value of pi, the symbol pi. Then the radius is equals to 3. Then times theta is 100 over 360. Okay, again, you can use your calculator. So get your calculator. Then enter these numbers. We have now 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 100 equals divided by 360. So the answer now is 5.23. Okay, so this is now the answer here. 5.23 units. So since there is no given unit of measurement, just write the units. Okay, so that is the way, the process on how to solve the arc length of a circle. course, we are guided by the formula. Our next question is about real-life application of arc length. Number 1, the door handle in Jonas' room has a radius of 7 inches. It rotates through a 75 degrees angle when opening the door. What is the length of the arc formed to the nearest inch? Okay, so let us answer the question number 1 and the real application of arc length. So we will use again the formula. So we have arc length is equals to 2 pi r. So this is the circumference multiplied to theta over 360. Okay, the given radius is equals to 7 and the central angle is 75 degrees. Of course, we will use the value of pi equals 3.14 here. So by substitution is equals to 2 times 3.14 times 7, then times 75 over 360. So you can use your scientific calculator to find the answer. So let us enter the numbers. So 2 times 3.14 times 7 times 75 equals divided by 360. So equals. So the answer, guys, is 9.158333. We will round off the answer to the nearest inch. So the 9.158. So this is equals to 9 inches. So this is the answer for number 1 question in a real life applications of arc length, guys. Okay, thank you. Question number 2 for the application. The bicycle wheel has a radius of 9 inches. It rotates through 2 pi over 3 angle. What is the length of the arc formed to the nearest inch? So let us show the solution of this. Let's answer question number 2. So we will use again the formula of arc length. Is equals to 2 pi r times theta over 360. So the given is we have the radius 9 inches and the given central angle is 2 pi over 3, so in radian. So we can change 2 pi over 3 to degrees is equals by multiplying 180 over pi. So we can cancel pi, multiply 2 times 180 divided by 3. So the answer is 120 degrees. Now we will substitute this. So 2 times 3.14, the radius is 9. Then times 120 over 360. Then is equals to, so we will use the calculator. So we have now 2 times 3.14 times 9 times 120 equals divided by 360 equals. So 18.84 is the answer. So inches, but we are going to round off the answer to the nearest inch. So it's equals to 19 inches. So this is now the final answer, 19 inches. Okay. So thank you. And then in this activity, activity number 1, find the length of each arc. Do not round your answer. So for letter A, we have the radius is 10 centimeters. Then the given central angle is 80 degrees. And for letter B, we have the radius is 13 centimeters. Then the central angle is pi over 3. you're going to write your solution in your paper. So I will give you time to solve this, then you can submit your work through an email. In activity number 2, observe circle P below. If measures of angle KPL is 120 degrees and the diameter GL equals 24 centimeters, find the length of KL. I will give you time to solve this question. Then once you're done, you can show your solution, or you can submit your answer through email. Thank you.